Okay, so in this question, Summit is making a candle making business, and it's going to cost him $200 for advertising plus 70 cents per candle that he makes. And then he's going to be selling those candles for $3.50 each. So the question is, how many candles sold would allow him to make a profit? So what we're going to do is we're going to compare 200 plus 0.70x. That is the amount of money that he's spending, and we're going to compare that to 3.50x, which represents the amount that he's making. If you're wondering why that's the case, well, $200, that represents the amount he's spending on advertising, and then the 0.70 times x, that represents the amount of money he's making to purchase the candles. So the total amount of money he's spending means that we would add those two things together. And then when he is making money, he's selling the candles for $3.50 each. So for example, if he sold 10 candles, we would do 350 times 10 to see how much money he was making. So what I'm going to do next is write down these two expressions side by side here. And then what we're going to need to do is figure out what inequality symbol belongs between them. Which one should be bigger for him to be making a profit? Is it the amount he's making or the amount that he's spending? Well, to be actually making profit, making money, you want the amount that you're making to be bigger than the amount that you're spending. So I'm going to draw a less than symbol because the amount that he's spending should be less than the amount that he's making. So I hope that makes sense. Oh, I forgot an X there. Now this is a bit of a tricky equation to solve, or inequality to solve, because we've got an X on both sides. So just a quick recap to get started on this. Because there's an X on both sides, we want to subtract one of them. It wouldn't make sense to subtract the 350x on the right, because then you'd have nothing left on the right hand side. So instead what we're going to do is we're going to subtract 0.70x from both sides. And by doing that, this is going to completely cancel out, and then all you'd be left with is 200 on the left side. But I'll leave the rest of that to you.